Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
Mo ń fi ní bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò wọ́n bọ̀ mí jẹ́ tó a.
Kita rasa yang kami
Kí orúkọ ẹ̀ náà? Amalik. Kébi ẹ kọjú sí bíbá.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé.
Amalik. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ẹ kúrò mẹ́. Ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ́.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé wọn.
Àbí ká gbé wọn sórí wheelchair. Ẹ gbé wọn kílà ẹ gbé wọn.
Ọyá ẹ gbé wá.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́.
Láti ní iwájú gbé wọn.
Sorry. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Pẹ̀lú ọmọ 2 years yìí, ọmọ 2 years.
Bá ń gbẹ́sẹ̀ yẹn. Àdúrà ti gbà.
Structure is globally recognized as the backbone of any thriving economy. By modernizing this corridor, we are collectively fostering a robust regional commerce, unlocking the economic opportunities and significantly easing the movement of goods and people. Most importantly, these projects serve as a powerful engines for localized economic growth, creating thousands of direct and indirect jobs within and around the various communities where these roads are being developed. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, the commencement of these roads projects is not the end of our journey, but a reflection of what is possible. The Dangote Group remains profoundly committed to partnering with the federal government under the leadership of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to foster sustainable development across all sectors of our economy and all corners of our country.
Continue to provide support to educational institutions through infrastructural development, staff development,
Stay tuned as we show you all the events as they all took place,
as well as payment of monthly interest to higher education institutions of learning, including basic and secondary schools across the state. As a responsive government that values education, we would continue to initiate policies and programs that would enhance academic activities in this institution and other state-owned tertiary institutions in the state.
You have made us see what you resident today. You have made the Babylon, but not today. Oh, miracle worker, miracle worker. You have made us see what you resident today. You have made the Babylon, but not today. Yahweh, Yahweh.
Master, 3,200. No, Master, all about the worker. Me work. No, so this time you work. Come on, boy, work. Come on, work. You see me calling work. Come on, work. Me no. Me no. Come on, stop. Come on, work. Me slap. You come on, work. Me no do you. You come on, work. 7:30 something. You come on, 7:30 something. Money me call work. It's work. House fund. Just go. You. Come, change, you don't come.
Stay tuned as we show you all the events as they all took place.
Save you. Master. Master. Everything for change, you don't come. Change, you don't work for change. You wild man. You work for change. You wild man. You better come, work on change. Why change to come? You already don't come. Me work on money TV. How do you don't come? Me work on TV, you give me 3,200. You will talk a lot of work. Not is where? Too much is sick. You know good. Talk a lot of work. You know good. You know good.
رهبر مطهر شهید انقلاب اسلامی و همینک حضور جناب آقای
فی الارض ولا بسم الله الرحمن تلك الدار الآخرة
Ahí estaba Messi que Mirá, le sacan fotos los muchachos de Cabo Verde.
¿Son los rivales?
Sí.
Pidiéndole fotos a Leo.
Que casi nos eliminan, casi le mandan a penales, pero todo es... ¿Vos sabés qué le pedían en el partido?
Impresionante.
Cuando terminó el partido le pedían algo. Yo pensé que le pedían la camiseta. No. Ahí estaba Messi, que fue... Mirá.